Good morning, everyone. So, in the previous class, we have seen with the revision of third unit, that is meaning of capital market. Okay, and we have seen the definition of capital market. Okay, some objectives. Okay, today we will see the characteristics of capital market. What are the characteristics? Okay, as well as we will see the types of capital market. Okay, that is primary market and secondary market, as well as we will see the difference between primary capital market and secondary capital market. Okay, first we will see what are the characteristics of capital market. Okay, like there are the first characteristics, security markets. Okay, as well as we have participants. Okay, location and price determination. Okay, price determination ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ shares ನ debenture price ಹೆಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. Okay, it will be depend upon according to the market situation, demand and supply, that it will be determined. Okay, first we will see what are securities. Okay, I mean in capital market what kind of securities are deal. Okay, usually capital market means where long term securities borrow ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, lend ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದು securities ಯಾವ ಇರ್ತಾವ in capital market ಒಳಗೆ, ಯಾವ securities deal ಆಗ್ತಾವ in capital market. Like we have shares deal ಆಗ್ತಾವ, debentures. Okay, gilt edged securities means gilt edged security means here government securities ಬರ್ತಾವ. Okay, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ bonds ಬರ್ತಾವ, etc. So therefore capital market is called as a securities market also. Okay, for capital market we also call it as a securities market because it deals in security market. Okay, understood. Capital market ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ securities ಬರ್ತಾವ that deals with shares ಬರ್ತಾವ, debentures, government securities, bonds, etc. Okay, therefore we can for capital market also we call as securities market. Okay, ಇಂಥವು shares debentures deal ಆಗ್ತಾವ in capital market for long term funds. ಇದು shares ನ borrow ಮಾಡಬಹುದು or we can lend. These are called securities market. Okay, these are the securities which deals in capital market for long term. Okay, next we will see what are the participants. Okay, means we can say for participants there are wait a minute. Okay, there are many participants or players we can say in capital market. Okay, they constitute individuals, plethora of institutions which provide a wide variety of services to such to capital market. Okay, okay, we can say uh, and which provide a wide variety of services. Such capital is either directly supplied or arranged through financial intermediaries. Okay, participants ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, participants in ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, they provide wide variety of services. Okay, this participant means players ಅನ್ಬೋದು, for them we call as players ಅನ್ಬೋದು, or we can say participants. ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, wide variety of services ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ to capital market. You directly supply ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು from directly company approach ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು to the public to subscribe, or it is arranged through intermediators. Okay, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಆರ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಿಡಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ investment companies ಬರ್ತಾವ, pension fund, insurance companies through financial uh, intermediaries, or we can say non-financial business enterprises, or we can say government and households. These are the various participants in capital market. Okay, capital market ಒಳಗೆ various participants ಬರ್ತಾವ. These participants ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, directly supply ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು or through financial intermediaries fund supply ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Like pension funds we can come, insurance company, and one more life insurance company one brother in GIC. GIC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು, or some non financial business ಬರ್ಬೋದು, or some government like some economic units like government, or we can say households. So these are the various participants in capital market which plays a wide important role and they provide wide variety of services ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, understood. First, securities, we can say ಯಾವ securities ಬರ್ತಾವ in capital market ಒಳಗೆ shares ಬರ್ತಾವ, debentures ಬರ್ತಾವ, government securities, bonds ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ comes these are deals in capital market. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ participants ಬರ್ತಾವ. Participants ಅಂದ್ರೆ like they may directly supply ಮಾಡಬಹುದು or through financial intermediaries. Okay. Next, we have location. Okay, capital market location ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದೆ. Okay, it is an interesting note that the capital market is not confined to a particular place or particular location. It is through that the parts of market are concerned certain well-known centers like stock exchange. We can say like money market ಒಳಗೂ certain particular location ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, concern ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, concern with some center ಜೊತೆ concern ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Same a capital market does not have a specific location, the particular place ಇಲ್ಲ, particular location ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನಿರ್ತಾರೆ, concerned ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, concern with stock exchange ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾರೆ, some concern ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, they will not having a certain particular location ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, place ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಎಕಾನಮಿ. Wherever those demands capital market and those supply capital gets together and do business. Okay, the demand and or supply are together can do any business. Okay, as I told in meaning only. Okay, demand comes from borrowers to demand yaar fulfill suppliers. Okay, lenders or you can say investors. One more, money market ಮತ್ತು capital market, we can say that they does not have a confirmed particular location ಇಲ್ಲ, place ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಏನಿದಾರ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದಾರ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದಾರ, ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಜೊತೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದಾರ. ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, next we have price determination. Okay, the prices of securities that are dealt with capital market are demanded through the general law of the demand and supply. Okay, we can say that the price determination. Okay, price and fixed ಆಗ್ತಾವ. Okay, price ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ according to the demand and supply. What is the market condition? Demand ಎಷ್ಟದ, supply ಎಷ್ಟದ. According to that the prices are determined of shares, debentures, bonds ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ, prices fixed ಆಗ್ತಾವ according to the market condition. Demand ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ, supply ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ. According to that the prices are fixed. So this was about the characteristics of characteristics of capital market. Okay, next we will see what are the types of capital market. Okay, mainly we have two types of capital market. Okay, one we have primary market and second we have secondary market. Okay, primary market ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು. Primary market ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಟು ದ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಬೈ ದೋಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. Secondary market means those shares are already issued in the market. Okay, primary market only once we can issue. Okay, only once we can issue. Secondary market shares no multiple times issue ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, understood the difference? Primary market issue of sharing is only once. Okay, in primary market. In secondary market where we can issue in secondary market multiple times ನಾವು issue ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Primary market new shares introduce ಆಗ್ತಾವ, or we can say fresh shares. For primary market also we call as new share market ನು ಅನ್ಬಹುದು. For primary market now new shares market ನು ಅನ್ಬಹುದು. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ only once we can issue the share. In secondary market it is also called as security market. No, security market ನು ಅನ್ಬಹುದು, where the shares are issued multiple times. Okay, primary market shares issue ಆಗ್ತಾವ, ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ರೈಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಓಕೆ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಓಕೆ private placement as I told okay wait I will tell you okay first we will see with what is primary market okay primary market now ಏನಂದ್ರೆ it is also called as a new issue market ಅಂತೇಳಿ okay exam ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದಂದ್ರೆ what is new issue market ಅಂದ್ರೆ for that we also call as a primary market okay it deals with the issue of new securities okay primary market ನಾವು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ new issue market ನು ಅಂತೀವಿ okay it solely okay solely deals with issue of new securities new securities issue ಆಗ್ತಾವ a place where trading of securities is done for the first time okay primary market ಒಳಗೆ trading ಆಗ್ತಾವ buying and selling of securities are done for the first time for first time the main objective is capital formation for the government institution and companies the main objective uh, for this primary market is government institutions and companies okay it is a market for raising new capital in form of shares debentures which have been issued for the public for the first time by a new company okay primary market on ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು it is a market raising for new capital okay okay company one new company ಇದೆ they want to raise the capital okay primary market ಒಳಗೆ suppose xyz ಒಂದು new company ಇದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ fund require ಆಗಿದೆ okay on for example a new company okay we can say xyz company they want to raise the fund or ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ new issue ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ for the first time for the public to buy those shares okay which have been issued for the public for the first time by new companies that is called as the primary market okay it is a market now on both for raising new capital a new capital so they want to raise a new capital means they can issue shares for the public for the first time that is called as a primary market okay next we have okay see there are three ways by which a new company raises capital in primary market okay three ways are there in primary capital when a company can raise a new capital hang raise ಮಾಡಬಹುದು first is public issue okay second is right issue third is private placement by these three methods a company can raise a capital in primary market okay three ways okay ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು public issue okay second is right issue and third is private placement okay the common method of raising capital okay first we'll study about the first meaning okay that is right issue okay sorry public issue okay the common method of raising capital by a new company through public through issue of shares or debentures for the public for subscription for the first time we call as public issue okay public issue and it is the most common method okay? The name itself indicates public issue company ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ directly approach ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ to the public to issue the new shares for the first time for that we call as a public issue understood public issue ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is the most common method now ಅನ್ಬೋದು okay it is the most wait a minute. It is the most common method ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ new company through public issue ಮಾಡಬಹುದು through issue of shares debentures for the public and subscribe for the first time okay ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಓಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಥ್ರೂ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ದ ಶೇರ್ for the first time okay next right issue ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ right issue ಅಂದ್ರೆ but if an existing company okay if an existing company ಅನ್ಬೋದು or old company we can say want to raise additional capital okay it will first issue its shares to the existing shareholders such issue is called as right issue Understood? Right issue andra if an existing company ಅನ್ಬೋದು or old company, if they want to raise additional capital, okay, if they want to raise additional capital in mechanism of issuing ಹೇಳಿದೆ, if existing company have introduced its new shares or first priority ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ for their existing shareholders, okay, in the mechanism of instruments in capital market ಹೇಳಿದೆ, if an old company, if an old company or they want to raise the new issue, okay, they want to raise the new issue, first priority ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೋ their existing shareholders. For such issue we call as a right issue. Okay, right issue. Understood? Public issue ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? Three method ಅದಾವ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಫಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ like in form of shares debentures for the public to subscribe for the first time. Second, right issue. If an old company ಅನ್ಬೋದು existing company want to raise the fund, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ in form of shares debentures, first priority ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ to the existing shareholders. For that we call as a right issue method. Okay, private placement ಅಂದ್ರೆ private placement we can say ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ to ಯಾರು like their friends ಇರ್ಬೋದು. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, see, private placement means we can say that, but if a company wants to issue and it says privately to few people, private placement under a privately sell market. I think the name itself says private placement. If a company wants to raise and sell shares privately only to a few people. Few people ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, or suppose they're well wishers of the company ಇರ್ಬೋದು, promoters and the owner of the company or board of directors ಇರ್ಬೋದು, for them we call as a private placement. By these three methods in primary market, new shares issue ಆಗ್ತಾವ for the first time. That is called as primary market. Okay, I think everyone understood about private placement. Private placement ಒಳಗೆ a company want to issue ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, sell ಮಾಡ್ಲಕತ್ತಾರ share privately, only privately people ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, only few people ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. Okay, suppose ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, or well wishers of the company like promoters ಇರ್ಬೋದು, promoter of the company, or directly ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ sell ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ share. That is called as a private placement. Understood about types of capital market? First was primary market. Primary market ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ, new shares issue ಆಗ್ತಾವ for the first time to the public. Okay, primary, okay, primary capital market ಒಳಗೆ new shares introduce ಆಗ್ತಾವ for the first time to the public. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ primary market ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ issue ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ, three methods ಒಳಗೆ issue ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. First is public issue, second is right issue, third is private placement. Public issue ಅಂದ್ರೆ for the public or opportunity ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ to purchase the new shares. Okay, next right issue ಅಂದ್ರೆ if an old company or we can say existing company want to raise additional capital, raise ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರ shares ಯಾರಿಗೆ sell ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ to the existing shareholders. Okay, next private placement ಅಂದ್ರೆ if a company wants to issue and sell the shares privately, sell ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು only to the few people. Few people ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, relatives or well wishers or company promoters or directors ಇರ್ಬೋದು. That is called as private placement. Okay, next we will move to the secondary market. Okay, okay, I think there are some few features of primary market. Okay, this market is for long term equity capital. Okay, this is a market for long term equity capital enಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ it is a market where securities are issued for the first time. Okay, the primary market ಒಳಗೆ the securities are issued by the company directly to the investor. Okay, the company receives money and issues new securities and certificate to the investors ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay, ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು set up a new business or they want to set up a new branches open ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೋ or they want to expand the business, or they want to some uh, modernize their business, adak ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, these are the few features. Okay, next we will move to the, okay, next. Okay, we have next. Okay, so we have some functions of primary market. Okay, functions of primary market ಒಳಗೆ first comes new issue offer, and one more we have underwritten services. Okay, new issue offer ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ, the primary market organize offer of new issue which has not been traded on any other exchange earlier. Due to this reason it is called as a new issue market or new issue offer ನು ಅನ್ಬೋದು. Okay, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಏನಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಫರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂ, ನ್ಯೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಆಫರ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫರ್ ಆರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನು ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ new issue offer means it is a market organizes in organize matter offering of new issue to the public which is not already traded on any other exchange. For that we call as new issue offer. Second is underwriting expenses, sorry, underwriting services. Underwriting services ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, ಸಪೋಸ್ 1 lakh rupees ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, 1 lakh rupees ಒಳಗೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ 70,000 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 30,000 ಅದು ಅನ್ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ಅನ್ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಅಂಡರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಸಮ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಪನಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಓಕೆ, 1 lakh rupees ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, 1 lakh rupees ಒಳಗೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ 70,000 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೆಲ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 30,000 ಅದು ಅನ್ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ಅನ್ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ as underwriting services. Underwriting is an essential aspect while offering a new issue. Okay, underwriter's role in primary market includes purchasing of unsold shares if it cannot manage to sell. Okay, require the number of shares to the public. A financial institution may act as an underwriter. Financial institutions, they act as an underwriter. Okay, financial institution may act as an underwriter, earning a commission on underwriting. Understood? First was new issue, second was underwriting. Underwriting in matter, you didn't matter, unsold shares purchase matter. Okay, unsold shares purchase ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇಫ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಟು ಸೆಲ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅನ್ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅನ್ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as ಅಂಡರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ next we have distribution of new issue. Okay, a new issue is also distributed in primary market. Distribution is initiated with a new prospectus issue. It invites the public at a large to buy a new issue and provide detailed information on the company issue and involved underwriters. Okay, ಯಾವಾಗದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಒನ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅವರ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ ರೈಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಅಂಡರ್ ರೈಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಇದಾರೆ, Okay, underwriters are the detail ಒಳಗೆ informations ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ in the distribution of new issue. Okay, ಹೆಂಗಿದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can say invitation. Invitation, it is one kind of invitation to the public invitation ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ to subscribe our shares. ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. 13 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಇನ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನಿದೆ 13 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೇಮ್, ಅಂಡರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್, ಓಕೆ, ರೆಡಿಮೇಬಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as distribution of new issue. Okay, next we have we have secondary market. Okay, it is the opposite of primary market. Okay, primary market ಒಳಗೆ new issue shares sell ಆಗ್ತಾವ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ existing shares and debentures sell ಆಗ್ತಾವ. It is a market for secondary sale of existing and debentures. Okay, it is a market for existing old shares and debentures which have been already issued to the public ones which have already passed through primary market in the past. Okay, it is a market on both where for existing old shares and debentures now. Okay, notary secondary market means where shares have been already issued to the public. Okay, ಮೊದಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ shares sell ಆಗ್ಯಾವ which is already passed through primary market ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ secondary market ಒಳಗೆ sell ಆಗ್ತಾವ. For that we call as secondary market. Such shares and debentures means that is securities are sold once and are issued by the existing or old companies, and they are mostly traded in secondary market or stock exchange. Secondary market ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ shares securities sell ಆಗ್ತಾವ mostly are traded in stock exchange. ಇದು ಮೊದಲೇ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ಯದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ in stock exchange. That is called as secondary market. Okay, secondary market means the shares and debentures which have already issued to the public already issue again ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ are traded in primary market. In primary market shares can be issued only once. Okay, once ಒಳಗೆ issue ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, but in secondary market ಒಳಗೆ multiples ಒಳಗೆ issue ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, next we have okay, generally such securities are quoted in stock exchange which provides a continuous and regularly market for buying and selling of such old securities. Okay, generally the securities ಏನಂತ already quoted ಅದರ quote ಆಗ್ತಾವ in stock exchange, but ಇದೇನು provided continuous regulated market provide ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ for buying and selling of old securities. Okay, the secondary market consists of stock exchange recognized by the government of India. Okay, ಇದು secondary market ಏನಂತ it is regulated by government of India in the country means Security Exchange Board of India will regulate ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. They also regulated by the Securities Contracts Regulation Act 1956 means they also regulated ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ under the Securities Act 1956 ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, next we have okay, next same secondary market is a market refers to the market where securities are traded after offering to the public in the primary market or in the stock exchange. Same meaning in the slides. Okay, same meaning. Okay, next we will see some difference between primary market and secondary market. Okay, meaning ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ new shares are issue ಆಗ್ತಾವ in secondary market ಒಳಗೆ where existing shares are traded. Okay, so meaning the market place for new shares is called primary market. The place where formally issue uh, securities are traded is known as secondary market. Okay. Another name, another name for primary market is NIM, under a new issue market no ಅನ್ಬೋದು. Okay. In secondary market, the new name for it is called as after market. Okay. Next, types of purchasing. Okay. Types of purchasing. Not in the primary market, we can directly purchase from the public. Okay. In secondary market, through indirect we can purchase with the help of intermediaries like brokers. Okay. In primary market, where directly we can approach to the company ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ where shares are already passed through primary market and then sell in this market. It is called as secondary market. Another name for primary market is, we can say, new issue market. For secondary we call as after market. Types of purchasing where shares in primary market where we can directly purchase from the issuing company. In secondary market, through indirect with the help of intermediaries, brokers, we can take help. Okay. Okay, next. See how many times securities can be sold. In primary market, only once we can sell the securities. Okay. In secondary market, multiple times sell ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. Okay. Buying and selling and between in primary market happens between company and investors. Okay. Between company and investors ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. Okay. In secondary market, only with investors. Okay. Who will gain the amount of the sale of shares? Okay, ಯಾರ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫಂಡ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ. ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟರಿ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ? ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ರೈಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬ್ರೋಕರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ. Fixed price ಇರ್ತವೆ. When compared to the secondary market, fluctuate ಆಗ್ತವೆ. Fluctuate depends upon the demand and supply force ಒಳಗೆ prices fix ಆಗ್ತವೆ. Okay. In primary market ಒಳಗೆ only once we can sell the securities. In primary only once. In secondary ಒಳಗೆ multiple times ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. Buying and selling between in primary market company and investors ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. In secondary ಒಳಗೆ only investor. Intermediator in primary market ಯಾರಿಡ್ತಾರೆ? Underwriters. In secondary, brokers. ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಏನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. So with this we'll stop our today's session. In coming class we'll revise another topic. Okay. And one more difference between for 5 marks we may ask. There is a difference between primary market and secondary market. I think he may ask. Okay.